I won a giveaway! Hey guys, it's Amber. So, you know, as YouTube, it's very popular to have giveaways. A lot of channels have giveaways, and some, like this one, I think is more company sponsored. But, you know, you always think, oh, what are the chances of winning a giveaway? So, Kendall Alfred, which is a YouTuber that I really like to follow. I have been following her for quite a long time. I like her, no, she doesn't fuss around with things. She just says what it is, and she says it like it is, and she's definitely herself. Like, I love that she doesn't, put on this fake facade. She's just who she is, and I trust her reviews, and I enjoy her. So I've been subscribed to her for a while. I also really appreciate her because as, a bigger YouTuber, she has, almost 150,000 subscribers, I think. 100,000. She reached out to me after she posted an anti-haul saying that someone had commented saying that I started anti-hauls a long time ago, and most people don't ever reach out to me. She actually reached out to me and commented and said, that she was going to give me credit and that she didn't know. And I was just like, you don't have to give me credit, it's fine. But I was so impressed that she was so sweet and kind to me. And so that to me has always just shown her true colors, that she was like, oh, I did not know. And I mean, she's the only person that's really ever reached out to me that had a large subscriber base. So I was super impressed, and I just thought it was really cool of her. As always, I always say, if people get their influence from other people on their anti-hauls, they don't have to credit me, but I'm of course always going to be excited if somebody decides to credit me. I think that's awesome. So she had this giveaway in one of her Vlogmas videos, and she did a lot of giveaways all month, and it was just kind of say why you would like to win this giveaway. It was for the Janeiro product, and I just said, you know, as a mom of 3, that I am spending most of my money on my kids, and I'm not really buying myself anything for Christmas, and I really didn't get myself, pick out something for myself. And I don't know if she picked it randomly or picked from the comments, but anyway, I ended up winning, and I was shocked. So it said that I was tagged on her Insta story, and I was like, what? Why am I tagged on her Insta story? And I pulled it up, and she had tagged me. And I was like, oh my goodness, I can't believe I won. And she was talking to me a little bit, and she was just super sweet. And so anyway, I just wanted to give her a shout out because I think everyone always points out the drama of YouTubers and all the crap that they do. And I'm like, you know what? It's important to shout out when people are really nice and really genuine. And I think that's just as important. And when I posted about it, you know, both the company and her were like, yeah, I'm glad you got your stuff. And I just thought that was really cool. So shout out to the company as well. So I won a $350 gift card, which is insane, to Janeiro, which is a Brazilian beauty brand, and this is the famous, infamous Brazilian Bum Bum cream, which is basically a cellulite cream. And I was just like, how much can I actually buy? It's $350. That's way too much. That's more than I could ever use. So I got some extras, and I got some to also give away or to use as gifts. So I got some of the original Bum Bum cream. I got 2 full of these. Again, I don't know how fast I'm going to go through this, so maybe it'll last me 3 or 4 months. Maybe it'll be longer. I don't know. So we'll just see. I'll start with one and then go from there. And then I got this mini kit. This was a holiday special, but I like that this was $45, but it was a retail value of $60, so I got more for my money. But I thought these would be so cute to give as gifts. Then I got some of the Boxy body power cream. So I got 2 of these. Again, I'll just see how fast I use them, or maybe I'll put them in a giveaway. We shall see. But these are supposed to have, you know, the nutrient-rich ingredients of the Amazon to make you feel luxurious and have wonderful scents. Then I got 2 of the Brazilian Foreplay. This is their moisturizing shower cream gel. I think she did mention in the video that she goes through this fairly quickly, so I was like, I'll probably want to have 2 of these. So I'm excited for this. And I'm going to go through and smell all these in just a second. I just want to get this box out of the way. Then I got 2 of the Brazilian Crush. This is the body fragrance mist. And then I got, I think this was a trio thing again that I got for holiday. These are the Brazilian Kiss. These are the lip balms. So again, I thought this was something that I could give to other people. So I'm hoping to give quite a bit of this away because I don't need all of this, but we will go through and at least sample everything. So let's see what the Brazilian Bum Bum cream smells like. Okay, so it says infused with all-powerful guarana extract, which I know they have a guarana drink that my husband loves because he lived in Brazil for 2 years. And he speaks Portuguese, so I guess he could tell me. It says, love it, flaunt it, you've got it. Okay. Ooh, it has a nice little jar cover here. Ooh, that does smell really good. So I'll just try it on my arm here. Ooh, yeah, it's super moisturizing. A little bit definitely goes a long way. Yeah, that smells really good. And it smells good, but not like too perfumey, just like more natural. So I'll put this aside as mine now since I've opened it and tested it. This is also a all over, so you can use this all over, not just on the booty, but it's supposed to help tighten and smooth. And it says Brazilian bottoms have a special secret. A native Amazonian fruit with potent form of caffeine, together with cacao butter, acai, and coconut oil, gives you a nice booty. So we'll see. Won't be posting before and after shots on that one, but you'll just have to take my word for it. Okay, so let's try the acai. So this one, this is for smooth, glistening skin and hair that can be felt in a touch, seen in a dewy sheen. Ooh, so actually in hair too. That's amazing. This one's purple. Let's see how this one smells. Ooh. Ooh, it's really light. Probably like the acai scent, but super light. And it's kind of like fluffy. It looks like whipped yogurt, actually. Ooh, let's try this one. I like that it's light and it's not like too overpowering. That smells really good. It kind of smells like a little bit of a berry, just a touch of fruity scent, but it's really, really nice. So I will have to test these out. If you guys are interested in a review on all of these, let me know. And let's see, the shower gel. That smells kind of like the cream, so that should be good. And let's see what the mist smells like. Okay, this is super tightly packaged. So this does kind of smell what you would think someone would smell like when they're running on the beach. It's really nice, really light. So the last thing we will test out is this Brazilian Kiss Balm. I already have lip stuff on, but I'll just kind of look at it. Ooh, it's a nice wide stick. And feels nice. Not like overly greasy, but the cacao lip butter. So these are expensive too. These are like $20. But anyway, I know some of these products are available at Sephora. And I mean, look at all the stuff I still have. Like, this is so much, and hopefully I can find people to give this to and share the love, because I don't need to keep all this for myself, for sure. Well, that's everything I got in my giveaway. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a little sneak peek, and let me know if you guys would like a review on all these products after I've tried it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!